Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of freezing your credit with Equifax. Freezing your credit is an important step in protecting yourself against identity theft. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide on how to do this. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the credit freeze process, make sure you have the following information ready: your name, Social Security number, date of birth, current address and any previous addresses from the last 2 years, email address and phone number. Step 2. Visit the Equifax website. Go to the official Equifax website. Look for the section related to credit freeze services. You may find this under the Consumer Services or Security tabs. Step 3. Create an account or log in. If you don't already have an account with Equifax, you will need to create one. This typically involves providing personal information for verification. If you already have an account, simply log in. Step 4. Navigate to the credit freeze section. Once logged in, find the option for Credit Freeze. This may be labeled as Place a Credit Freeze or something similar. Click on it to proceed. Step 5. Verify your identity. Equifax will require you to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions based on your credit history or confirming information sent to your email or phone. Step 6. Initiate the freeze. After your identity is verified, follow the prompts to initiate the credit freeze. You'll need to confirm that you want to freeze your credit and may have to enter a PIN or password that you create. Step 7. Confirmation. Once the freeze is successfully placed, you will receive a confirmation notice. Make sure to keep this information safe, as you may need it to lift the freeze in the future. Step 8. Keep track of your PIN. If you created a PIN or password during the freeze process, it is crucial to write it down and store it in a secure location. You will need this if you want to temporarily lift the freeze or completely remove it later. By following these steps, you can successfully freeze your credit with Equifax, providing you with an additional layer of security against identity theft. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips.